everyone, this is Topsticks and I'm super excited to announce to you that I am now officially part of the paiste family. Yeah, so we got some wonderful cymbals here and I'm going to be looking at each of them one after the other. Now this is one of my favorite, the cutest Splash 10 inches. Then quickly I have my hi-hat ear size 14 inches, two of them, the top and the bottom. And then, oh my God, this is one of the most beautifully crafted design from paiste. It is the Swiss thin crash, and it is 18 inches. Then we have the crash 16 inches over here, and another crash, Modern Essentials, 18 inches. Isn't that lovely? And of course, I have my Ride Super Sound 20 inches. I'm going to be displaying them shortly, and man, I cannot wait to make some great music with these amazing paiste cymbals.